Hello friends and greetings from Iceland. Today is September 15th and we are next to the volcano in Geldingadalur and see what is happening here. Quite unexpected development. Lava broke out from the lava tube here to the south of the crater and it's pumping in a river towards not high. You see, it's coming from under the crust, out of the blue, spilling over from the crater through underground tubes, through the lava tubes, and it comes here on the surface and is flowing in a river towards not high, south. As you saw from my videos yesterday, lava is not coming from the volcano by any visible channels. It's coming through underground tubes. And now we have a new breakout from the tube here to the south of the volcano in Geldingadalur. You see, the lava lake was there on the September 12th, a few days ago, a bit further north, and yesterday I was there on the north. It's cold now, there are no boiling lava. All the action is now here in Geldingadalur to the south of Geldingadalur, and this is what happened. Lava is coming from under the crust. See, out of nowhere. We have very strong wind today. Weather changed unexpectedly. It was very nice weather when we left Reykjavik. But now is very strong wind here in Geldingadalur, and we are observing this fast flowing river, very vast river. It's maybe 10 meters wide. Here it's even wider. Here is maybe 50 meters wide. There is some 20 meters wide, and is going towards not high, to the south. See people here on the hill, and this is what is happening here. We came with Nina together. I wanted to show you briefly this action. We arrived right now in the afternoon. See, it's coming out of nowhere, such huge amounts of lava, but there are some underground pipes that come out here, you know, from the volcano, which is just here on the hill, you know, and it's coming through underground tubes, comes out here and flows in the river. Very beautiful river, which is moving at about 5 kilometers per hour. The speed of human fast walking, I would say. So when it's spilling over here in Geldingadalur, we will keep filming. I wish you all the best. Greetings from Iceland.